So this year I'm trying to find alternatives to my raised pallet beds. Pallets are really heavy and they're not terribly beautiful if you're in town. They're something that if you're in an HOA can make life a little difficult. So this year I'm trying to find alternatives that are retail, that are easy to pick up and easy to put together. This is the 12-foot long Anleolife metal raised bed. And I have just filled it up with some cow manure, some cardboard, some wood chips, and now some raised garden bed mix. So far, I'm really thrilled with this bed. It has 4 reinforcements on the inside so that the bed can't bow out or collapse in as the mulch inside composts. So the raised garden bed mix is a mix of wood chips, wood chunks, peat moss, compost, and a little bit of perlite. It's not a super high quality potting mix. It doesn't do super well in pots. It has a tendency to be a little heavy for that. But for outside in the elements, I think it's going to work just fine, and it's a lot cheaper than trying to use another kind of pre-made mix that comes in smaller bags. You don't have to use wood chips. You can use leaves. You can use straw. You can use, one of the things I used was really mulchy, heavy on straw cow manure from a local dairy that was delivered. And so pretty much you just need some good carbon, lots of carbon, and a small amount of some kind of nitrogen. I like to use manure in at least one of my layers. One of my bottom layers will be manure, and that's because I want the bacteria. I also put regular fertilizer beads in, and the reason for that was in order for wood chips or any other kind of mulch to break down, it needs nitrogen, but I didn't want really fresh cow manure that close to the roots of my plants, and so I just used a pelleted slow release fertilizer in the top layer of wood chips. So this is ready to go. I don't know of any other company that has a 12-foot long bed, and varieties of Spice of Life, so make sure to go check them out. I will have a link in the description, and thanks for checking in.